Hi everyone. Today we're looking at this Makita LXT 36 volt brushless lawnmower. It's pretty nice. It's very nice. I mean, the box is not nice. Look how this box came. This is the side flap, but it came like that. Shipped UPS. I mean, this thing was demolished. Demolished. But with this kit, you get four 4-amp batteries, the lawnmower, 4 batteries, a dual port charger, a 3-year warranty tool and battery. I'm gonna send the charger back. It's not charging the batteries. So there's that. But for $399, and that's where the batteries go, $399, you get all this. Here's the batteries. I did have an extra charger. I am on the Makita line, so 4 batteries, $399. Great deal. I think right now you get a pack of 2 of these batteries for $186. Okay. Got the batteries in. There's it's metal housing. It's got a handle here. It's not too heavy. It's extremely easy to put. I have it here in the garage because it's just getting kind of breezy out there and I don't want it to ruin the video. Here's our height adjustment here. Very easy to use. And I did that with one hand while I'm holding the camera, so. What else do we have to show on this? It's not self-propelled, sorry. Take that off. There's the mulcher in there. Okay. Here on the handle we have shows the batteries. I just charged both batteries up. Quiet mode. Quiet mode here. And there's power. So power's on. So what you do here, I mean, I could have just read, but who does that? So what you do is you push this in while you pull the red handle back. So I'm going to do it with the camera. Okay, there. Now there's tension on this. Instant off. I didn't notice any difference when I hit the quiet mode. Not too sure what that's about. Let's start it up again. I didn't notice a difference. We'll turn it off. Okay. So it also came with our bag. And the mulcher setting down in the back over there, right there. It's all metal housing. I believe this is like a commercial use lawnmower. My son plans on taking it out to make some money with it, and we'll run it through the tests. So this deal is on Amazon and on Home Depot for $3.99. So you get 4 batteries. You get 2 extra batteries with it. Okay, the 2 extra batteries, what they say down there on the box is $189 value. So I think that's a pretty good deal. I don't know what you all think. It has an 18-inch blade, 19-inch deck, I have no idea. "10-inch height adjustment with a single lever, IPX4 weather resistant design, commercial grade steel deck, team lift, UPS team lift. That way you guys don't deliver boxes that look like that. Okay, that's unacceptable. 25% thicker gauge steel deck. See that there? So we're gonna check it out. If anybody has one, let me know how you like it so far. We got the Makita lawnmower right here, ready for summertime, with 4 amp hour batteries, so it'll give you twice the runtime. With 2 batteries, I believe the runtime is 45 minutes, so it'll give you an hour and a half of runtime with 4 batteries that it comes with for $3.99. Let me know if y'all have it and what you think of it. I think this looks like it's well built. Knowing Makita, everything they do is well built. I can't wait to give it a try this summer. This summertime I'll cut some grass and let you guys know how it does. Till then, thanks for joining. Bye.